What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I have an awesome, really exciting video for you guys today. We are talking about the update with Play Octopus. So this company, guys, if you've heard about them in the past, and I'm gonna have a link below. When you sign up, you'll get a free tablet, but they just got bought out by T-Mobile, and they're going nationwide. So I don't know if they are nationwide yet, but they're in a ton of cities. And if you try to sign up for them in the past, I'm gonna have a link below. I want you to use my link and go in and update your profile, because if you've tried in the past and it didn't work, well, it could now work for you in your city. So again, it's T-Mobile. This is an app basically that you put it in the back of your headrest, and your passengers play games. And every single time they play a game, you earn money when they play the ad. So most drivers, full-time drivers, earn $100 per month. And if you take advantage of their referral program, you could earn another $100, $200, $300 a month, just sharing it on Facebook, sharing it with your friends who drive. You do need to do 100 rides in order to qualify. And that's about it. It's super easy. It's for Uber and Lyft drivers. You can start earning up to $100 extra per month, literally passively. There's no cost at all. Just put it in your car and you start making extra money, right? I mean, this isn't a get rich quick thing, but definitely another $100 a month. Hey, I would be happy with that. So I have a link below to Play Octopus. Their team is awesome. They really do care about drivers. They've thrown parties for drivers in the past. They have raffle giveaways for drivers on their Facebook group once you become a member. They're a really awesome community. Yeah, they even toured around the whole country and threw parties for Uber and Lyft drivers. Now that was like back in 2018, I believe, or maybe early 2019, but still, that was, you know, they obviously didn't want to throw parties within the past couple of years because of everything going on, but they do really care about drivers. So join the squad, the Play Octopus team, and you can start making some money really fast. So thanks, and they'll send you out a tablet within like next week or two. They're really quick. So it comes with a free data plan. Sorry, I'm rambling. Check the link out below. I'll talk to you later. Bye now.